Hi, this is Adriana, and this is another video about earthing, and this is related to stress. So it's a stress relief. Surveys indicate that adults regard themselves under much more stress than ever. In the United States, an estimated 75 to 90% of visits to primary care physicians are for stress-related problems. Yet, most people don't realize the degree of damage that the stress inflicts on their personal health. They usually say, "Oh, I'm just a little stressed," as if chronic stress equates to caffeinated edginess. Stress equates with a strain on the body, and too much of it brings trouble in many forms. Stress can lead to high blood pressure, heart attacks, strokes, sudden death, depression, insomnia, headaches, muscle spasms, memory loss, weight gain, abdominal fat, erectile dysfunction, and lack of libido. It undermines the body's defenses and thus increases the risk, frequency, and severity of colds, allergic reactions, and autoimmune disorders. In brief, stress can kill your heart, shrink your brain, destroy your resistance to illness, and shorten your life. So stress impacts your adrenal glands directly. Adrenaline and the fight or flight reaction, and chronic stress, cortisol. In this process, cortisol becomes elevated and depleted, interfering with the sleep and blood glucose control, fueling anxiety and depression, and depleting the immune system. New research shows that chronic psychological stress and abnormal levels of cortisol impair the body's ability to control inflammation, a breakdown that adds to understanding the role of stress in multiple disorders. So earthing has a beneficial effect on cortisol and other hormones. It calms the nervous system and reduces inflammation, and thus offers an effective and natural remedy for counteracting stress and adrenal exhaustion. So they strongly believe that one of the major stresses on the body is something that few people realize: the lack of connection with the earth. So see, there's another reason to go earthing. So avoid stress as much as possible. As you can hear, it's detrimental, it can be detrimental to our health. So this is another video for SalesVision. And just remember, if you have products to sell, or if you are in network marketing and you need to get customers, generate leads, just use the digital marketing software from SalesVision, and you will find access to it in the link below. It will take you to the page where you'll get more information. Thank you for watching. Bye.